Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to install a bike bell easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a very simple bike bell and I'm going to be installing it on these handlebars right here. Now the way that this bike bell installs, and most of them are installed, is very simple. There is a locking screw on the bottom and you're going to loosen or completely remove that locking screw just like this, okay? You're going to remove it or loosen it completely. And when you've loosened it completely or remove it, basically that locking screw holds these two pieces together. So once you've removed it, you're going to open this up and you're going to place it around the handlebar. Now you can place it this way, okay? So you can pull the lever to create that sound, or you can flip it around and place it this way so you can push the lever to create that sound. It's completely up to you. But essentially what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be placing it this way right here. So I'm going to open this up, okay? Wrap it around the handlebar, just like that, okay? Just like that. It's wrapped around the handlebar. And on the underside, I'll show you the underside right here. I'm gonna place this locking screw through the hole and I'm gonna start tightening it into place, okay? Now, once I've started tightening it, I can adjust the bell because when I basically get it where I want it to be, I'm gonna just continue tightening it until it's tight enough that it's not gonna move. So at this point, as I continue tightening it, it's just tightening into place, and it's going to get to the point where it's tight enough that it basically can't move. And that's essentially it. Once you've tightened it basically as much as you can, you're going to get it to the point where it's basically going to be locked in place, okay? It's very, very simple, very, very easy to install. You can install it on either side and in any orientation that you want to. And then you can just go ahead and you can use it. I'm not going to ring it because I'm trying to keep my volume down right now. But yeah, basically I have it installed on the left side of the handlebar over here. And I have it installed where I push it. If I push it out, it's going to make the ringing sound. But you can install on the right side or the left side, and you can install it so you push and it makes the ringing sound, or you pull back like that and it makes the ringing sound. That's it. And if you want to uninstall it, it's just the opposite. You just loosen up that screw again and you can remove it. That's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.